Hi guys, thank you for watching this video. Today we are having quite a busy and sunny day here in Almere in the Netherlands. Today we are going to watch two houses, and the one we are watching right now, actually I'm waiting for Dima when he finishes his work and we start off and we drive to this house to watch it. And we are watching the second one right in the evening with the kids. So in between I'm going to have shopping today, and I'm going to meet my Brazilian friend who has just delivered a boy, and we will finally meet and she will tell me about how was everything going with her new baby. So today is a really exciting and busy day, and I will be really happy to spend it with you guys. And for those of you who is interested in how is everything going with the house right now, we have watched already 6 houses, I think, through this past month. And well, for those of you who doesn't know how the process looks like, it is like this. We are searching the houses we like on funda.nl every morning. And the practice is like this: if you see that the house was posted 3 days ago or 2 days ago, even guys 2 days ago, there is a high possibility that there is no available slots for watching this house anymore. Sorry for these containers. I'm just walking this because the sun is very bright today, and if I watch in the sunny beautiful place I will not be seen at all. So yep, we watched those houses which were posted literally today within 24 hours, and if we are lucky we get the slot and we watch the house. Then when you watch the house personally, you tell the agent if you like it or not, and then the agent sends you the link for bidding. And now the practice is the following: you have to add more to the initial price of the house. So if the house is, let's say, 350,000, so it's normal to bid 50,000, 60,000 more. So we are in the process right now, and we do really hope that we will find something. We bid 2 houses already and we lost. Yeah, this is like the game really. It's a very intensive and sometimes exhausting game, but we do really hope that we will find something soon. And now I go to meet Dima and to drive to the house we are watching right now, because the girls are at school. Dima drove Ava by bike and I just walked with Olivia to preschool. Today we have a special and very unique moment when we are going to watch the house, just the two of us, without the kids, and they are finally at school and at preschool. We are very happy about it. And the weather is nice. So it looks like a bit of a date, but we have only 40 minutes for everything.
20 minutes date.
20 minutes date for watching the house. Because in the evening we are watching the house together with the girls already. Выходит сразу под проезжей частью, и парк там начинается.
Кажется, нет, он там через канал дальше надо проехать, там парк будет.
Не, классный дом.
Ну,
Вот получается у него 3-й этаж, у всех вот такой квадратный,
да,
его еще
они
и
его
расширить
расширяют
можно.
в ту сторону.
Да, можно еще сделать спокойно дополнительную комнату на 15 квадратов. As you see guys, we are back from the viewing. We really like this house, and obviously it is not allowed to film when you are watching the house, but I can show you the pictures here. So as you see at the ground floor, the floor is wooden and we like it. It creates such a cozy atmosphere. The kitchen is spacious and full of light, and very nice cooking surfaces there, while they're taking out the fridge. So there will be no fridge, but it's okay for us because they want this house to live in April. So we'll have enough time until April to put our own fridge. There are 3 spacious, quite spacious bedrooms on the first floor, and we really love that this house is full of light And today is sunny, and it was great to view this house today, to see how it looks when the sun is shining. So it is full of light, and the staircase is also full of light because there is additional window there. And we really like that this design is not very typical. So they have very nice second floor, so there will be the study there, the cabinet for us, but there is also opportunity to extend this floor, and there is kind of a balcony which is not used, just for design, I suppose. And the neighbors on other houses in the street, they did the extension, and this extension looks really nice. So you can build a nice room there. And we asked for the price of this extension, and the agent told us that it is about 35,000. But well, it's not the first thing we are going to do there, because this house is just perfect for us at this moment. But it is nice that there is an option to extend and to consider it if we will think about it, and there is an option to do it. And in case with these classic roofs, which have this triangle form, you can extend up to, well, 10 meters max, even 6 meters sometimes. But there you can extend up to quite big and spacious room. So yeah, we are going to bid this house for sure. Now we will contact our agent so that he does the bidding, and we will keep you updating. We'll see what will be with this house. Will we win it or not? Now I'm going to have my sandwiches and tea, and then I will go to shop here in Almere Bouten to buy a present for my friend who has just delivered a baby. And we will meet today and walk, because the weather is beautiful today, and we will meet with all the kids. Her son goes to the same school with Eva, to the same class, and now they're having the second baby. And this special moment when you understand that you are not only eating, but you're eating alone, because kids are at school and you can watch the series, the favorite series I'm watching now, Why the Women Kill. Very funny. And please, guys, leave your comment below if you are watching something right now. How do you like it? And by the way, guys, I wanted to say thank you for your comments in the community section, where I asked you about the idea of the video where we compare our living in the Netherlands with our living in Poland. I think it's a nice idea if we discuss these topics in the community section, and then we base our videos with the answers to your questions. I think it's a nice idea, and you prove it. So I wanted to record this video today, but I have more time for preparation. It's at least 2 hours when I film videos like this, and today is quite a busy day, so it's just not possible today. But I will definitely record this question and answer video the next week, so it will be soon. Don't miss it. I think everyone has this situation when your child is happy with the box. So yeah, we came from school, from preschool, and Olivia is playing in the box. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And now Dima will pick up Eva and we will go for a walk with our friends. Okay, guys, I'm happy to show what I bought. I bought such present box, cadeau box, right? In Dutch. Nice tea for a new mom. Welcome, little baby. This tea is very mild, nice for a new mom, right, for breastfeeding mom, and there is a place where I can write my wishes to this lady. And I also bought for her body cream. It's a very light and nice and very tender smile, and I really love this brand. I use it myself for many years. I hope she will like it. And for the baby, I bought these things for teasing, but also actually the baby can just play with it. It's very light, perfect for newborn. And the clothes set. It's a boy, so I bought these very neutral colors, and I really hope that they will enjoy this present. And I also packed some things that we don't really need anymore. So there are boots from Olivia, some clothes with neutral colors that will also suit a boy. I have here, and the toys that we don't need anymore. I hope they will enjoy these presents. Well, it took us more than 1 second to get ready, but I took the kids, the presents, and we are going to meet our friends and maybe get some of those delicious potatoes fries. We'll see. Just a little bit of Russian song for you guys. It looks like we had enough fun at the fair, and Dima picked us up, and now we are going to watch the second house.
Ах, какая женщина, какая женщина, мне б такую.
Especially for you guys. Dima never sings, but today he's in the mood to sing. And we hope that we will like this house, right?
Yep.
Well guys, we are home and we didn't like the second house. And the problem was actually not only in the design of this house, this black and white theme, right? But the problem was the amount of the bedrooms. It has the same amount of square meters as the house we saw in the morning and the houses we saw previously in the same type of buildings, but the owner of that house, he removed those walls, and we actually need them. So this house requires this extra work which we are not ready to devote to. But we were actually watching it because it has a very nice location close to the center of Almere, and we will keep going and we will keep informing you how is everything going on the real estate market here in the Netherlands. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.